everybody wants to take their health to the next level in the new year. For those that either want to get a head start on the new year, or those just want to understand so you can be positioned to capitalize on the new year. That's what we're challenging the world to do, is to complete 4 steps at least 4 days a week for 4 consecutive weeks. That's the challenge. 4 steps, okay? So it's completing 4 steps, and we'll talk about those steps, right? Those steps are fuel, feed, move, and share. Okay, so those are the core 4 steps that we are challenging you to complete. The whole concept and the brilliance about this challenge is we're not going to mess up good for perfect. Okay, it's about the journey. It's not about perfection, right? Brian always says progress over perfection. And this challenge really relates to all of that, right? So we're challenging everybody to do that. And we know that for those individuals that do those things, all 4 steps for at least 4 days a week for 4 consecutive weeks, we know, right, you're going to experience a transformation. You're going to generate a result when it comes to your health. It's about the journey, right, not just the destination. And you know, you don't need to be perfect here to get a result. We have confidence in our technology. We have confidence in our ketones. We have confidence that if somebody completes all of that, they're going to move toward a better them, right, a better you in 2022.